Hey guys, it's me, Soso. You're probably wondering, what's with the background change? It's summer, duh. Today I decided what if summer was a person? I don't mean people named Summer. I mean the actual season. I figured summer would be so warm and kind and energetic. And almost everyone loves her, unless you live in California or something. Here's how I envision summer. I had a lot of fun making her. I wanted her to look happy, so I made her jump in the air. I also added an ice cream because it's hot and people want ice cream to cool down. That's all, guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Also, you can find all the finished pieces in my videos and more on my Instagram. Go check me out on Soso Digital Art. Thanks for watching. Bye!